wana mutoko lingote lokola yo moko kozela rapete batu nyonso bakumisa yo po kolo mukila sala batu alinga mandambo menda sali biso nyonso me balingi enda ndambo bongo yo so se babetele maboko mukilo oyo bachola kaka osala malamu bakochola osala mabe bakochola yo moko pese yo moko raison sepelisa yo moko o bako comprendre yo bako betele maboko kozela ka champion ko justifier ba pasi.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. Thank you so much everyone for coming back. If you're new here, my name is Anita Mavita Double Star. Please guys, help me to subscribe and give the video thumbs up. It helps a lot. Mbote na binyo suba famille, I hope, j'espère que vous allez bien na boli wanzambe. Ngai awape nazali bien, die notre penzamba lola azobatela. Merci na binyo su na ndenge bozongi lisusu liboso na ngai. Soki ezali mbana liboso talanga. Kombo na nga ezali Anita Mavita Double Star. Nazali presenta na presentaka émission oya Anita Mavita Show. Ba famille na ngai awa na senga mbongo te, na senga pardon, please, aidez ngai partager, commenter, liker, s'abonner massivement. Yangone sala nga bien et motivant nga su makasi ya kozonga lisusu liboso na bino. In today's video, I would like to show you some very comfortable, very beautiful jumpers I go in for this season, for this weather. It's very beautiful, very comfortable, in good price. In case you are planning to buy jumpers but you don't know where to start, after my video you know where to go. Na video lelo na kolaksa bino ba tricot na ngai kitoko vraiment ya bien na sombi po na moment otokomi na ta otokomi ya malili, peut-être ozoko préparer, ozoko plan osomba ba tricot mais oebite tricot nini oyo il faut somba yango na ko laksa bino ba tricot na ngai kitoko na sombi, peut-être oza intéressé, oza interested ya ko somba yango na bina sala video na ya ngoli boso na bino, peut-être yepo ko seper nango osomba lokola ndeti oyo nga na sombi mi eza pena kitoko makasi, eza kilo makasi te, eza pena so beautiful, eza bien, eza kilo te, eza ba tricot mo pour que nango pe sorti oro que nango pe restaurant oro que nango ba place belé. The first jumper guys I picked up, it was this one. As we all know, black, it goes with everything. This jumper is so beautiful, it's so amazing, it's not that heavy, it's so nice. You can even wear this when you're going to job kid to school, you go for dinner, you go somewhere. It's so comfortable, it's so relaxed. It's not them jumper they're so heavy you put it on and you start feeling hot. No, this one is so nice guys. Can you see it? It has buttons. It's so beautiful, so amazing. So I picked up this in size L. The price is $25.99. So this jumper guys is so beautiful. You can even wear like this with black you can even wear like this with black trousers, black jean, anything, or white trousers, anything you want it you can wear it. You can see it from here. It's so amazing, it's very nice. Even material is not that heavy, it's like it's so nice. I love it. I'm in love with this jumper. But for me nangai nazi tricot yo na taille ya large ya L, prix nango ezali 25,99. Eza vraiment kitoko, eza bena tricot moko, eza quality, eza bena tricot mo, eza bena qualité moko bien, eza na ba bouton awa. Donc tricot opo ko la tango ozo ke nota restaurant, ozo ke kotika bana classe, ozo ke ne bena ta place pe ata feti, ata dîner, ata birthday mutu pe ogola tape tricot o ya noir o biso sebi noir et kendana na bilo onyo soto. Ogola tape noir na lokwa nde na lati boyo ko la tompe na pantalon moko couleur moko boye, ogola tompe na pantalon noir, pantalon rouge ya pembe et dépendre kana yo na ndenka yo osala la suki no kitoko, osali maquillage no kitoko, o memi saki no moko bien, olati catch na yo bien sapat no moko bien vraiment ba famille eza kitoko makasi bino moko bo moni truc on ndenge ezali eza pena kitoko en plus eza ya quality. The good thing is quality. It's not them cheap stuff. No, I got it from 25 pounds. The jumper, it looks so simple, but it's quality. It's very quality. It will last longer for 25 pounds 99 only because of this jumper, guys. Someone is say, oh, I'm not buying, but the thing is, it's gonna last longer. It's quality. You can get something like this from Primark, maybe 10 pounds, 20 pounds, but we all know about Primark. But this one is very quality. Okoko somba petre kwa bo na Primark na 10 livres na 5 livres, mais ko bossa na te erumela te erobeba po biso so biloko ya Primark ebebaka avant, mais tant osombe loko no ya boye na shop moko ya bien ekorumela yo. Second one I picked up, my love. Look at this blue. I am in love with this blue. This blue is so amazing. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. You can't get confused, love. You can't get confused with blue. Look at this blue. It's so amazing. It's so beautiful. It's so sexy. It's not that heavy. Very beautiful. I'm in love with this, to be honest. Yeah, I love it. It's the same. It's the same quality. The same. It got button here. It's so nice. I love it. You can wear this one with black trousers, white trousers. It's up to you. Even red, yellow, it's up to you. But someone like me, maybe I can wear this with black trousers. You see, black it match. You see my black trousers, perfect with black jacket, or white trousers and white top, or black jacket. Is up to you. But for me, I can wear this one with black trousers, black jackets, or white trousers and black jackets with some nice hairstyle, nice makeup, nice shoes, nice trainers, nice heels, nice hairstyle, nice simple makeup. Not too much makeup, just simple makeup. You look classic, you look nice, you look expensive. That's what I'm talking about. Ba famille tricot oyo vraiment eza kitoko makasi. Bomoni ka blé, omoni ba couleur makasi boy. Eza ba couleur mo balata ngo pena trop pena te. Mais tant muta beta ka couleur, muta otalo pena de fois boy. Tricot kitoko tango mo iloka couleur soza mutu mo eta ba couleur trop batu ba mesano ya zeni mutu ba couleur. Mais tant la tano ba couleur mo normal. Jour beta couleur mo boy, muta otunu Jampo zon wa tricot zon kitoko moni ba couleur abo ebimara pa mpamba te ezara ebomba makana ndako. Donc zi jampa o tricot a blé o lati yango na pantalon moko ya noir. Obena pantalon moko ya pembe momoni na tina pantalon nga o ya noir na jaquette likolo noir. O memela ngata saki moko ya pembe. O memela ngata saki couleur yo moko lingi atokola ta rouge, atokola ta couleur nini yo kaka. Mais muto ko nga nita ko na lingana nga la talanga simple classique. Na olata yango na pantalon noir, na jaquette noir, na saki nanga na ko mema pe ya noir. Ou bien na olata yango na pantalon pembe, na jaquette nanga pe ya pembe, so na jaquette pembe, na dono sangisa. Na ozala sirke na deux couleurs. Po suki nanga déjà eza noir. Donc na olata et pantalon moko ya noir, jaquette moko noir, o eke déjà blé. Blé ezo dominer na makamunyo so parce que blé déjà eza makasi. Ya on a faut ko inviter ba couleur mo ezo flasher. So ko la des couleurs mo ezo flasher. Donc zala si biloko e Rolanda wana eza ba couleur moko ça va pour obima too much te. Donc voilà, blé o eza kitoko makasi, yeah. Do eza pena suka na makambo. Donc kitoko ezali cher. Parce que ezali 25 livres 99. Heureuse peut quoi boye ka simple boye na Primark emso na 10 livres ou bien na 5 livres ou bien na 15 livres. Mais robosa na te Primark ezara bilo moto lata yango ya vite fait. Ezara logo mongo e ko umela yote. Donc voilà. The third one I picked up is this gray, love. This gray, yeah. This gray is so amazing, my love. You can wear this with black or gray trousers as well. Like I got these trousers. Like you can match, yeah. You can wear like this. These two gray. This is light gray and this is dark gray. You wear like this, both of them, with black shoes, black bag, black jacket. Bang, darling, you done. They are simple, but they are nice. This trousers is so nice. It's so beautiful. It's so sexy. Something like this, you can wear this when you go for the interview, you go for meeting, you go for dinner, you go wherever you go. You put it on, both of them like this. You look nice with your nice hair, simple makeup. You don't have to put makeup if you want to. You know, some simple makeup. You know, some nice hairstyle, some nice earrings, some nice. You know, you just try your best to look nice, to look simple but amazing. The same time you look sexy, the same time you look expensive. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Something like this, my darling. Yes, these trousers, I got this in trousers in size L. The price is $29.99. This one $25.99, $29.99. So both of them with nice bag, nice shoes, nice makeup, nice hairstyle. Come on, darling. If no one did say anything to you, I don't know, but both of them, they look nice. But for me, na tricot oyo nyoso timi balé boye o na ezaka ba prix moko na ba blenda noir oyo ezali 25,99 o ezali 29,99 nyoso timi balé bo soko lati boye na sapato moko ya noir o memi saki ya noir, jaquette moko ya noir, bandeko nanga o compliqué no situation te o sa no maquillage moko simple soko lingi pe ko sa maquillage mo sali suki moko kitoko o latelango loko mato moko kitoko o bimi na yo classique o bimi simple o compliqué no makambu te o bimi pena kitoko o moni e moko ezala o lati vraiment mutatalio une fois talio deux fois ti parfait mo pena kitoko mutalobino wow o bimi bien, you look nice. Bon on dit ngana ezalaka poto olata na ndako no tango zo bima zala si ata mutu moko na nzela fa lula yo ata mutu mo fa ebiso oh you look nice obimi kitoko bon on dit yo moko de mutu ozo sangisa yo moko zo mixer ndenge ni ozo lata bilamba no mutu kwanga nita na kolata bilambo jamais na pantalon ya vert na kolata bilambo jamais na pantalon ya jaune ce qui est ba couleur na ebité na pekisi binto kolata mais ngana za mutu na lingolata ba couleur ebele na lingana bima simple classique mais de same temps na bima expensive na lingaso na lati na bima cher mais cher en musiko ezala na marque moko ya simple ya classique ezala ba désordre te yango mono lati bo ponga penation na lati jamais na rolinga na journée na lati bo muta la lo banangelo te ko look na stay il faut na bande la kolata na ozonga na ndako na bande. So the third one, guys, look at this jumper. This green jumper is so lovely. He's so pretty, amazing, lovely. Look at this jumper. It's so cute. I love it. To be honest, I love this green jumper with black trousers. Can you see it? Can you see the way it looks on me? With black trousers or white trousers, darling, you look amazing. You look beautiful. Look at this jumper. It's so nice. The good thing I like about this jumper is not that heavy. Yeah, it's not that heavy. It's because I don't like a heavy jumper, so it's comfortable. It's so pretty. Can you see it? It's so pretty, it's so comfortable, it's light, it's not that heavy. Some feel like you feel like uncomfortable, but I don't like a heavy jumper. So this one, pretty, darling, with black trousers, black bag, black jacket, or what trousers or what jacket is up to you. So this one I got in size M. The price is $32.99. So this jumper is $32.99. I know that maybe you will say, oh, it's expensive, but for me it's not expensive. The good thing about me, I like to spend money in good stuff. I like to buy expensive stuff because it lasts longer. You see, example, this jumper, I got this jumper for 2 years now from River Island. It's still nice, intact, very beautiful, very good color, is good quality. I spent about £35 just because of this jumper, because it's nice, it's quality, it lasts longer. For 2 years now I've been wearing this jumper. But example, if it was from Pona, come on, not in good, not in bad way, maybe I got this from £10 from Pona, I cannot wear this for 2 years. I can wear it, but it's not gonna look like this. I don't wear this every day, but look, it looks nice. Famille nangai bomoni tricot oyo, botara tricot o ezaki toko makasi na ta oto komi oyo, oteka single na kati olati tricot oyo, ozana bezo kolata bilambe bele bete, obakisi na jacket jacket ni likolo en tout cas ba famille nanga okobima kitoko makasi amazing botala le tricot o eza kilote eza nango pepe eza kilote eza pepe mais eza kitoko makasi quoi en plus le non c'est penango ezo benda na eza pe makasi donc eza pena kitoko na zu yango na taille ya medium et puis prix nango ezali 32 99 dans la zone à 32 livres 99 donc botala ka tricot aussi ko boy o latela mona pantalon moko noir jaquette noir sac noir ou bien ko lata pena pantalon moko pembe jaquette pembe yo moko no lingo o sangisa ngo donc moto ko ngana ko lata elamba vert boyete na pantalon rouge bien pantalon jaune ou bien na lata onyo so tumi balebe naza cité pena ke na ko o sangisa yango donc na ebike moto mso ko loba ka pona tricot oyo 32 livres 99 na prix moko ko zongo 10 livres 15 livres et ça problème té mais si ko ngai na sepelaka nanga na dépenser mbongo na somba elamba o exemple eza cher ou bien na prix moko normal pour eumela bilamba o to somba ya ba vite fait ba prix moko ya ba 5 livres ba 10 livres 15 eza bilamba wa ba vite fait eumela raté mais tant ozo dépenser mbongo na bilamba ya bien eumelaka bon moi neti tricot o na lati oyo na somba yango na River Island pendant 2 ans yango na lataka tricot oyo bokanisa te po na caméra ato moninga na vie normale bo o sepela na tricot eza toujours eza kitoko eza toujours bien eza propre eza na problème moko te 2 ans yango na lataka tricot oyo soki na lati tricot oyo mutu nyonso tatu nanga ozo tricot wapi po ezonga lisusu te na shop eza lisusu te na River Island donc série biso to somba yango ese leka ezonga lisusu te au moins siko réseau ya kosombara bilamba ya cher raison ya kosombara eloko ya bien qualité yango na po okolata la yango eza na problème te za toujours bien donc tricot ata na lati bo na lati na pantalon omoka noir bien pembe na te jaquette na kitoko saki na ya bien na te suki na ya bien na sali maquillage na moko ya simple kaka na bimi na ki restaurant be na ki rendez-vous na ki place moko be mutu be na otala nga pe na talinga une fois talinga de fois bi wow you look nice ponga na lingra bongo mutu pe na fois loba ngaso na lati na lingra mutu pesa mon commentaire sala nga bien yango nele tozo linga osomba biloko na primaire na beza mabete za bien mais ezara biloko mobo eumela rapenda te tricot oyo na wi fa na zona ba 35 livres 2 ans yango tricot nanga o ezana ngati siko donc mon ndeti tricot na 32 livres vraiment eza kitoko makasi pantalon moko noir jaquette moko noir likolo bien pantalon moko pembe ou bien jaquette moko pembe o latina oka simple bo obimi simple obimi cher obimi classique ba complication et belé te moment yango ya ba tricot boy kitoko makasi vraiment kandi na lobby ogola tona pantalon ya noir omoni pantalon oyo noir pe na ziango pantalon noir o na ziango na prix combien 22 livres 99 na ziango na taille L donc bomoni ka boye both of them guys just like this green and black and you put black jacket on top darling you look amazing you look sexy you look wow you look beautiful simple simple but classic the same time you look expensive it depends the way you put it on so nice so beautiful darling look at these trousers it's so beautiful so nice like beautiful you can see it. It's so beautiful. I bought this in $22.99 so beautiful both of them wow look at this you wear it like this black and green perfect darling perfect olati bonyo sotu mi bale bande onangai na moment otozali ta kosomba ba tricot yango poka la mingi te ekoma cher donc yango ya kosomba biloko neti ba jaquette ba tricot ba banda kosomba mo avant ko pe to komi ko mo retard mais moi muke ça va tant tozo kota penza biloko emata ekoma cher yo mwenga na bi pardon tikana sa shopping na ngai so this is the time for you to buy your winter stuff because we all know that it's gonna be expensive soon. This jumper right now is $32.99. Maybe in 1 month time, 2 months time is gonna be expensive, but December is gonna be expensive. So this is the time for you to get a good jumper. So so both of them amazing, sexy, so beautiful. Donc bangomi bale boy bina file kitoko makasi obimi kitoko obimi sexy obimi wow. So these two Guys, look at this top. It's so beautiful, so amazing, so sexy. I love it. To be honest, I love it. It looks nice when you put it on. It looks so beautiful. Like on top here is baby blue and here is gray. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. It's so nice, so sexy. It's $35.99. Look at this. You wear like this, you go to dinner, you go to birthday party, you go to church, you go somewhere, yes. So I mix it with these trousers. I mix with this trouser. This is gray and this on the bottom is gray and the top is baby blue. You mix like this, is up to you. You can wear like this with white bag, white shoes, white jacket, or black bag, black shoes, black jacket. Is up to you though. Them two color is up to you. You can mix it. So yeah, ma famille nazui tricot oyo elamba oyo esangani chemise na tricot na prix ya 35.99. Donc ba 500 likolo nango ezali blé moko ya pete et puis na sino batie gré eza vraiment kitoko makasi bien bo mona nga ce qu'on a préféré na na lata ngona pantalon oyo so na lata ngo boye na tiango na sapato moko eloko ase ya noir na saki na nga noir bien na kolata pe na jaquette ya noir vraiment biango mibale eza kitoko makasi donc oyo na 35 livres sina yebiseki bino déjà pris ya pantalon donc na sangisi nyonso te mibale boye ma darling orobima na kitoko toujours et dépend ka ndenge yo moko ozolata bilamba na yo donc kolata ba compliqué yango kolata ba créer ka yango o créer yo moko compliqué na moko kaka o créer yo moko o compliqué o nice. Donc tricot oyo na 35 livres 99 eza vraiment kitoko makasi batie tricot likolo nango eza chemise surtout soko lati on ndoto pena na surtout soko lati pena nzoto vandi yo penza ezui yo pena taille ezo bima kitoko makasi bota ndenge ebimi na nzoto nanga donc nyonso to mibale o kitoko makasi orola tape oyo okola tape o na pantalon noir bomoni pe na pantalon na noir ndenge esali pe ka bien omoni yango. Guys, you can even wear this with black trousers. Can you see with my black trousers? It looks nice anyway. With black trousers too, it looks nice. You mix it like this with black trousers, black jean, you know, black jacket, black bag, black shoes, or gray shoes is up to you. Or baby blue is up to you, but it'll be nice. You'll look nice. So I love it. I'm in love with this. It's so sexy. It's not that heavy. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. I love it. Very beautiful, darling. You know, look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful, amazing. I'm in love with this one. Guys, the last thing I pick up this jean jacket. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Guys, when I say amazing, it's amazing. I just like the style. The style is so pretty, it's so nice, you know. Sometimes it's good to wear something like this, you know. He looks nice. This jean jacket, it has trousers, but I didn't like the pants. The pants was too big, you know. I don't like big pants. I got black trousers and this black jacket and my orange. Perfect. Black bag, black shoes. Perfect. I'm telling you, perfect. For me, I cannot wear orange soon. I don't even have orange. But if you have orange shoes, example, you are wearing, you know, clothes jumper like this, yeah, you can put your orange shoes. But someone like me, never. I'll just wear black shoes with this because my jumper is a red. The color is too much already. So as long as I got this black jacket and black trousers, I'm done. You look so sexy, simple, amazing, classic. The same time you look expensive. It's $45.99. Yes, it's expensive, but it's nice. Alors, ma famille a une jaquette on a 45 livres 99. Donc jaquette is un pantalon non mais c'est pas un pantalon tipo pantalon non ezaki munene e vandenga na nzoto tenga linga pena elamba fo vandanga pena na nzoto e tika linga makasi na sepela na ngote donc style nango e na sepela na style nango teza ba style rene mikolo ezala ko ba pantalon de fa vraiment na sepela na ngote yango na zuka jaquette pa manazon na 45 livres 99 na ebike mutu musoko loba e eza cher mais na eza cher mais eza kitoko style oyo vraiment eza bien. Au moins style na ndenge eza vraiment kitoko makasi donc au latango boye na elamba nyonso ti numéro na Zara jean na moko boye na Zara jean na moko boye eza pe ka ba Zara boye to na moni jaquette abi ah ego match bina ego concorder na jean nga pantalon na zanga do yango eloko na zuli jaquette o donc so na lati déjà boy omoni o lati ka boy na par exemple na polo o ya boy orange boy donc noir orange o memina sac no ya noir o lati sapato na makolo ya noir o bimi no kitoko simple classique mais na hermope o bimi pe cher na koki pe ko lata yango pe na tricot o ya jaune ya vert o donc so na lati boy pantalon na ya noir na tricot o ya vert na jean oyo en tout cas na bimi kitoko makasi na ko bima pe na kitoko o ko kende pe fête boy o ko kende pe place boy o lati na pona moment o toza eza mama ba tricot eza mambola ta ba t-shirt ta pamba eza mambola ta tricot ko la ta boza besoin ta ba jaquette belé te o mika moi jaquette moi moké aussi lé na yo o bimi vraiment kitoko makasi donc yango na lobi siko nga so na lati boy jamais na ko lingana na telango sous sapata vert o bien na lati na orange na ta sapata orange et simba te eleka te pona zara na pe na sapata orange te na zara pe na sapata vert te donc nga na suka na noir donc nga pe na nita na suka na noir donc atako pe na lati ya orange na rolada na sapata orange te sapata verte donc na suka na ngoka bopo na bimi na classique na bimi kitoko na bimi cher na bimi vraiment bien quoi. Donc voilà ma famille jaquette na ngai yangoyo prix na ngo yangoyo donc au moins de na bimi vraiment kitoko maka. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you so much for coming back. Please guys, as I always say, please help me to subscribe, comment, share, like, you know, just make your sister help support me, you know, show me some love, you know. Yeah. Merci na bino suba famille na ndenge bwande ko tala nga na ndenge bozongo si liboso na ngai o ezaki loko na ngai Sika final la sabino ndeka na senga pardon please bo aider ngai bo partager bo like bo commenter bo s'abonner massivement yango na esala nga bien. Merci vraiment merci nzamba lola apambola bino tout le monde na mbalasima bisous bye.